Hi everyone, thanks for joining us again. I'm Marcie Newell, Executive Vice President here at Tier 1, and welcome back to our video blog series. Today we're going to talk about making a business case for managed services. We know that there are benefits of managed services. They're very clear, but there are some CIOs, CEOs, and other decision makers who are more reluctant to partner with a managed services provider or MSP. And so we want to show them how we can provide that true value of managed services for your organization. So before we try to convince others of the value of managed services, we want to have a full understanding of the benefits gained by partnering with a managed services provider, as well as the concerns for driving their reluctancy. The return on investment of managed services can be profound if you choose the right MSP. Providing your internal team with additional time to focus on mission-critical tasks will increase productivity, which will ultimately increase profitability. With a team of Oracle experts managing your systems, your applications will be optimized to ensure that your environment is aligned to meet your unique business requirements, while also maximize your Oracle systems ROI. So let's talk about a few common concerns that C-level executives have. Number one, security. Concern about the security of applications and data when giving access to outside vendors like an MSP based on the uptick in the frequency of reported data breaches and data theft. Many MSPs have built the delivery of their services around security. For example, here at Tier 1, we have an independent auditor conduct an annual SSAE 18 SOC 2 Type 2 audit to ensure that we have the proper controls in place to keep your data secure. A second concern is losing the in-house knowledge to resources that are unfamiliar with your systems and processes. Partnering with an Oracle MSP will allow your internal resources to remain engaged and focused on high priority tasks while leveraging your managed services provider to support the day-to-day operations and support of your applications. Some C-level executives fear that partnering with a managed services provider will be expensive and ongoing costs will be unpredictable, but that could not be further from the truth. With an MSP like Tier 1, you get a fixed monthly rate locked in for the term of your contract to allow for predictable costs and ease of budgeting. Additionally, in most cases, it will cost you less than a full-time employee while giving you access to an entire team of Oracle experts. Tier 1 is currently offering a free 1-month trial of our customized managed services. If you're interested in seeing the value that this service can bring to your organization with no cost and no commitment, please reach out to Tier 1. Thanks.